cold outside, so I thought I'd come in and lay down a comforter. And my goosies really want to cuddle. They're so soft. They're so soft. Hi. Usually this one is very quiet and wants to stay away from me because he's getting big and independent. I guess he got cold. Right? King Arthur. Oh, snuggly pillows. Snuggly pillows. You big goofy. Oh, hello. Want to say hello? Say hello. 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 Hi. Chrissy. Hi. So snuggly today. Wee. Ooh. Hi. Quiz. Such a nice boy. Nice boy, aren't you? Yeah. Hey, Snuggly. Guinevere. Hello. Hi. Not my teeth. No. No. I know where your mouth's been. I know where you've been. The stinky chicken coop. You're so gentle, though. You're so gentle. I know how mean you could be. Yes, I do. I know how mean you could be. I know how mean you could be. Yes, I do. You sweetheart. I know how mean you could be, Mr. Gander. Yeah, you're so nice. Oh, you're so nice. No. No. Is this warm? Are you warm? Chrissy. Say hello. What's this? Want to see it? Say hello. What is that? What is that thing, huh? Alright, let's see what that video looks like.